And after you're done studying through the lesson, you download the quiz. It's here in the back, and you put your name and address on the quiz and do the quiz and send it in, and you're automatically registered for the correspondence course. If you're interested in knowing more about the Assemblies of Yahweh, this is our Feast of Tabernacles report to the Brotherhood of the year 2006. I'd like to send you a copy of that. Here is a cross-section of our monthly magazine, the Sacred Name Broadcaster, and these magazines contain timely articles of general interest, beautiful covers. But here is our most popular feature section, Prophetic Trends. Then I'd also like to send you a copy of our calendar, and this calendar superimposes the biblical calendar over the secular calendar so that you know when to keep Yahweh's feast days. Remember, no cost or obligation of any kind. Write to the Sacred Name Broadcast, P.O. Box C, as in Charles, Bethel, Bethel, Pennsylvania, 19507. Or you can telephone our toll-free number, 1-800-523-3827. Again, 523-3827. Just remember, friends, we have all this free literature available here at Bethel, Pennsylvania, and we'd like to place it in your hands. Don't forget to call our toll-free number, 1-800-523-3827, or write to the Sacred Name Broadcast, P.O. Box C, Bethel, Pennsylvania, 19507. Remember, this literature is available without obligation whenever you write or whenever you telephone. Don't forget, friends, we'd like to communicate with you if you love the Word of Yahweh as we do, and if you love to study the Scriptures. Write or call today. Friends, the literature we have just offered is available free of charge and without obligation. I hope that you immediately walk to the telephone and dial 1-800-523-3827. It's all free. Literature order number 7108. Order it. We'd like to connect up with you if you love the Bible as we do. Until next week at the same time on the same station, and we hope to hear from you. This has been Elder Jacob Meyer saying, "Hey, Yahweh, bless you up